Okay, my first recording for some reason didn't work, so I make a second recording. I want to show you Polymarket. Polymarket is a space where you can bet on anything you want. For example, will Sam Altman be arrested before July? Most of the people say no. You can buy yes or no. And based on the outcome, you win or you lose. Same like in same like in football or anything else. So the beauty here on this one is Polymarket is completely, you don't need to register there, you don't need to give your ID or bank account or anything. The only thing that you need is a cryptocurrency wallet, a Web3 wallet. I use Trust, but there are many others out there like Phantom or Phantom is a beautiful one. When you want to use the site, you just go here, log in, you install your favorite wallet. I have Trust here on my phone. Then you say connect, you use the QR code scanner of the wallet, you scan it, and you say connect. So it says it sent me a signature. It did not send me a signature. It's okay. Sometimes things happen like this. So we just try this again. All right, now the signature request is here. Welcome to Polymarket, confirm. And the same like you connect with, let's say, WhatsApp web. Yeah, it's very similar. So now let's say I want to bet that Sam Altman is arrested, and I want to say no, he's not arrested, because it's quite clear it's no. Or let's say I want to say yes. So if I say yes, I can win. For $1, I can actually win $145. But let's make this a little bit more clear how this actually works. So, for example, here is an interesting one. Will Jesus Christ return in 2025? So if I bet no here for $1, I actually win 3 cents. So it's free money, because that is what I win. I win the yes. So for $1, I win 2.8 cents. Or if I say yes, for $1, I can win 35 cents. So this is basically free money, because Jesus Christ will not return in 2025. So you can bet $10 or $100. If you bet $100, you will make $2.56, which is 2%, 2.5% basically. And this is fun for me. It's more it's not only fun, but it's actually also a very interesting view of people that have insider information, so or that just understand how things are going. So will Iran close the Strait of Hormuz in 2025? I personally think they will not do it. So I bet on 9 with all my money with $5, and I will win 8. So I will need to wait. If I can also say I don't want to wait until the December 31st. I want to have my result here on the June 30th, which is in 7 days. I say no, they will not close it, and I buy this. So now when I buy this bet, I have to confirm it with my wallet. This is my key, my signature. So I confirm my purchase, and done. Then here in my portfolio, I see it. Once I sell something, I will get the cash, and I can withdraw the cash to my wallet in USDC, and from my wallet I can sell it, for example, on Binance to US dollar or Bitcoin or whatever you want. All right, so I hope this makes you understand how Polymarket works and what it's for, and you enjoy it like I do.